Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on subtitles on Crunchyroll app. Alright, let's get started. First, open up the Crunchyroll app on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, either log in to your account or skip the login if you just want to browse as a guest. From the main menu, tap on the Account tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings page. In the settings menu, you'll see several options. Look for the one that says Subtitles or Language Preferences. Tap on that to open the subtitles settings. Here you can choose your preferred subtitle language. Select the language you want by tapping on it. Once you've made your selection, the app will automatically save your choice. Next, go back to the account menu and look for a setting called Show Closed Captions. Make sure that it is switched to the on position. Now let's test it out. Go back to the main menu and select an anime or show to watch. When the video starts playing, you should see the subtitles in your chosen language. If you want to change the subtitle language while watching a video, just tap the screen to bring up the video controls. Then tap the settings icon again and choose your new subtitle language from there. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn on and change subtitles in the Crunchyroll app. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.